Welcome back to American Dream Mansions, the channel where we take you inside the most breathtaking properties across the United States. If you love exploring luxury design and dream architecture, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell, because today we're taking you on a tour through one of Utah's most extraordinary homes, a modern masterpiece that perfectly blends nature and architecture. Nestled in the heart of Heber City, surrounded by the stunning Wasatch Mountains, this is Stonewood, a $6,950,000 architectural gem that redefines what luxury living truly means. From the moment you arrive, this home captures your attention with its organic design, natural materials, and warm welcoming energy. Built in 2023, it stands on a 0.57-acre lot and offers more than 10,200 square feet of living space, carefully crafted to create harmony between modern comfort and natural serenity. As you approach the property, the combination of wood, stone, and glass instantly creates a timeless aesthetic. The front elevation feels bold yet peaceful, with a beautifully landscaped entrance, stone pathways, and a three-car garage that merges seamlessly with the structure. The architecture feels alive, it breathes with the landscape, pulling the natural surroundings inside. Stepping through the grand entrance, you are welcomed by an open-concept living area that's filled with light. Massive floor-to-ceiling windows frame the mountains outside like living artwork. The neutral tones, organic textures, and gentle light together create an atmosphere that feels calm, grounded, and deeply connected to nature. The living room features a stunning stone fireplace as its centerpiece, adding both warmth and sophistication to the space. Moving into the kitchen, you'll find sleek design meets pure functionality. This gourmet chef's kitchen features custom cabinetry, a large marble island, top-of-the-line appliances, and perfectly placed lighting that highlights the textures of natural wood and stone. It's the perfect spot for hosting, cooking, and creating memories. The seamless transition from kitchen to dining area makes entertaining effortless, whether it's an intimate dinner or a grand celebration. The home offers 7 bedrooms and 8 bathrooms, each designed to provide comfort and privacy. The master suite is nothing short of extraordinary. The moment you step in, the panoramic mountain view through the glass wall immediately takes your breath away. The space is peaceful, elegant, and designed for rest. The master bath features a freestanding soaking tub, double vanity, and natural stone finishes that make it feel like a spa retreat. Every guest room in this mansion feels like a private suite in a 5-star resort. Each has its own charm, connecting with either the mountain view, the landscaped garden, or the open sky above. Every detail has been hand-selected to enhance the living experience. From the soft lighting to the warm textures, the natural flow between rooms reflects balance and beauty. Downstairs, the home transforms into an entertainment haven. You'll find a spacious lounge area, a cozy home theater, and a beautifully designed wine cellar. There's space for a private gym or art studio, giving this mansion the flexibility to match any lifestyle. Step outside and the beauty continues. The outdoor area is a masterpiece on its own, a landscaped garden that merges with the breathtaking Utah scenery. Stonewood's backyard is the perfect place to enjoy sunsets, gather with friends by the fire pit, or simply feel the cool mountain air on a quiet evening. The connection between indoor and outdoor living is what makes this home so unique. You're never separate from nature, you're part of it. Stonewood was crafted by Chatwin Homes and designed by the Lifestyle Collective, 2 names known for pushing boundaries in modern architecture. Every inch of this home reflects intention, craftsmanship, and respect for the environment. The use of natural materials and open design principles turns this mansion into more than just a residence, it's a living, breathing work of art. Located in Heber City, you're just minutes away from world-class ski resorts, golf courses, and the stunning Deer Creek Reservoir. It's a location that combines privacy, luxury, and adventure all in one. Whether this is your permanent home or your mountain escape, Stonewood offers a lifestyle that few can match. This property is listed by Ty Maguire with Christie's International Real Estate Park City, a trusted name in high-end real estate. For more details, you can find the link in the description below. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to American Dream Mansions, where we showcase the finest homes, the boldest designs, and the most inspiring architecture across America. Your dream home might just be one video away. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode, right here on American Dream Mansions.